Hello everyone， 大家好，我是 Miss Karine， 现在上课咯。
Do you know the word 福? Why is the word 福 used so often during the Chinese New Year? The word 福, which means good fortune, blessing, or happiness, is popular among Chinese people. Phrases and sentences which including 福 are often used in both spoken and written forms. For example, the mascot of the 2008 Olympic Games is known as 福娃, which translates as good luck dolls. Posting the 福 Chinese character is a tradition for Chinese people during Chinese New Year. In addition, the Chinese people often place a big upside-down 福 on a door to symbolize the desire for good fortune. But why? Why do Chinese people place this word upside down? This is because 福到了 means the 福 is upside down. It is a homophony of 福到了. The 福, the good fortune, has come, or our good luck has come. 到了 means upside down, has the nearly same pronunciation as 到了, arrived. It is just a play on words. A lot of Chinese words and phrases that containing the word 福. For example, the phrase 福气. 福气 means happy lot or good fortune. Let's look at this sentence. 你真有福气. Read again after me. 你真有福气 means you are so blessed. 你 means you. 真 means really. 有 means have. 福气 means good fortune or blessed. Let's look at another example. 幸福. 幸福 means happiness or well-being. 祝你幸福. 祝你幸福 means wish you happiness. 祝 means which. 你 means you. 幸福 means happiness or well-being. Let's look at another example. The phrase 有口福 usually means that someone has the knack for always being where delicious food is served. Let's look at the sentence 你真有口福. 你真有口福 means you are blessed with good food. 你 means you. 真 means really. 有 means have. 口 means mouth. 福 means good fortune. For example, when you arrive home just in time to see your whole family gathered and about to enjoy huge feast, someone could say,
你真有口福.
You are really blessed with good family and good food. Thanks for watching. My name is Karine. I am a Mandarin teacher. My channel is focused on teaching Mandarin as a foreign language and sharing some of the grammar issues that Mandarin learners will face. If you have any doubts, Please do let me know your feedback and suggestions. I will try my best to help you. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, share, and most important, please subscribe my channel. Every week, I will upload a video about Mandarin for you. 谢谢，再见。